Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to reset Qubo camera. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's actually two ways to reset your Qubo camera here. So the first method here is by just power cycling it. So especially if you're having issues with your Qubo camera, it's malfunctioning. Well, in this case, what you could do is you want to go ahead and basically unplug it or turn it off and wait for a few minutes or even an hour and just basically let the power drain out from your Qubo camera. Now, typically speaking, once the power runs out here, typically it actually resets the system internally and it actually solves a lot of glitches, especially on the camera itself. So in this case, once the time is up, you go and plug it in, start charging it again, and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that does solve your issue, another thing that you could try doing here is to factory reset it. So what you need to do is you want to look for the reset button. But now in this case, this actually depends on the current model that you currently have. So sometimes it's going to be at the sides or at the back, or it might be underneath it, and the reset button itself might be kind of different. So it might be a very small pinhole, but in this case it will be labeled as reset. So also it might be a small button here, as you can see at the back. So in this case, just look for some a reset button or something similar to that. So it's best to refer to your manual just to see what the actual reset button actually looks like. But what you need to do is, again, you want to press and hold that button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now, in this case, this will actually the light on your camera will start flashing, and once that starts flashing, it will start to restart. And in this case, once it's fully rebooted, it should confirm that your camera here has been fully reset. Now you could go ahead and reset it up again in the Qubo app if you want to. Now, obviously, again, like what I said before, the steps and the optimal number of seconds that you need to hold that the reset button might be different depending on the model you currently have. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.